Get a feel for the 2019 Jeep Compass. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy the adventure with confidence in the Compass. It offers the perfect blend of SUV versatility and state-of-the-art safety technology. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't settle for average when you can have excellent. Drive the Compass.